Did you know that bills, invoices, statements, and other transactional documents are read by 90% of recipients? So any blank space on these documents is prime real estate for communications. Use DocOrigin's Business Communications Center to transform wasted space with targeted ads or custom messaging, elevating the quality of your customer communications and breathing life into your most seen documents. And good news! With the power of DocOrigin's integration without modification, BCC works with any line of business applications. BCC allows you to tailor communications to each recipient with rules-based content inclusions, using the information already available in your documents. Just pick a key value and assign the content to be included. With these production-ready forms, businesses can insert key ads for certain purchases, deliver a credit limit warning based on an invoice's total amount, and use blank space at the bottom of the page to promote your products. Another major benefit of BCC is that it puts document content in the hands of the correct stakeholders. Once your IT team has developed a document template, BCC's user-friendly interface allows marketing, legal, HR, and other departments to enhance documents with additional content without scripting or programming. BCC manages user permissions too, so stakeholders have access only to relevant document templates. BCC makes it possible to communicate to customers, employees, partners, and vendors quickly and, above all, effectively by using a communications vehicle that you already have, your transactional documents. Learn more about BCC today and what it can do for your business.